What's up mga papi? Naghahanap ka ba ng budget smartwatch? If yes, then check mo tong Xiaomi S9 Ultra smartwatch na binili natin sa Shopee. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
So, nabili nga natin tong S9 sa Shopee for 1,158. And ayan yung laman ng box. Meron tayong user's manual na hindi ko mabasa dahil sa liit ng text. May Chinese, may Russian, and of course may English version. Though hindi ko din siya talaga nagamit dahil napakaliit ng text. Ang hirap-hirap basahin. So, yung bracelet is not yet attached to the watch itself. The material is like silicone ang tingin ko dito pero hindi ako sure. According to the specs, the screen is 1.9 inches. Fuselage size is 210mm by 20mm by 2.5mm and it's made out of zinc alloy. Connectivity is WLAN 2 4 GHz, Bluetooth 5.2, battery is 260 milliampere lithium ion and the charging time is 1.5 hours. Battery life is 10 days, waterproof IP68. It has a pedometer, exercise time, running track, mileage, calories for walking, running, and climbing. It also has heart rate measurement, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, sedentary reminder, call reminder, message push for SMS, WeChat, Skype, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So, ikabit lang natin muna yung bracelet nito kasi yun nga, nakadetach pa to when we first open the box. So, ito yung itsura. Ang color nito white pero in actual parang bone ang kulay niya. Hindi siya talaga white parang grayish white. So, ayan. Maganda yung build niya. Mukha naman siyang premium maski 1,200 pesos lang siya. Ito yung charger niya. So, magnetic to. Ikakabit mo lang dun sa likod ng watch. And then, of course, kabit mo yung USB port dun sa USB plug dun sa port ng USB. And then, yan, magcha-charge na siya. Wala siyang wireless charging. So, ito, since pagkakuha natin, walang charge yung watch, we will try to charge it by plugging it in. Ang problema dito sa watch na to, ang default language niya is Chinese. So, hindi ko alam, hindi ko maintindihan kung paano natin siya isa-set up. So, ang ginawa ko dito, nag-download pa ako ng Google Lens para i-translate yung Chinese character para makita ko kung nasaan yung language setting. So, after a zillion years, nakita rin natin yung settings and we were able to successfully convert the Chinese character to English, which is yung naiintindihan natin. So, ayan lang siya. So, ayan, pinapakita na natin dyan na convert na natin or na-translate na natin yung Chinese characters sa English, which is ang hirap-hirap. And then, hindi mo agad magagamit tong release na to kasi kailangan mo pang mag-download nung app for you to be able to sync the watch to your phone. And for you to do that, you need to have your phone read the Q code of the watch. You can find the Q code sa setting ng watch, of course. Once scan, the URL of the app will pop up sa phone mo and that's the time that you can download the app via the URL. Of course, you have to register by giving out your email address and setting a password. You also have to accept the user terms and condition. The security code will be sent to your email to enable you as a user. Dun sa app, you can set up your health goal and then track your exercises, duration, intensity, and also dun sa app, you can download a lot of watch faces. Kung gusto mo iba-iba yung itsura ng watch mo araw-araw, which I will be showing you in this video later on. So at this point, sineset up lang natin yung app to have the phone sync over to my watch. So sineset up natin yung profile ng user and also yung mga health goals. After setting it up, you can save all the settings and then that's it. So dito, in-explore ko pa siya. Hindi ko pa kasi masyadong kabisado yung app. And then later on, magda-download tayo ng mga faces ng watch. So ito, nakita ko na yung mga ibang faces ng watch. Magsasawa ka. So yung mga trip mo, pwede mong i-download so you can use it as a substitute face for your watch. Marami dyan. Meron ako nakitang Snoopy, mga pang girls. Kasi itong watch na to para sa asawa ko to. Niregalo ko to sa asawa ko. This is her birthday gift. So ayan yung mga faces. Ang dami ko mong pretty much ang dami mong pwedeng pagpilian. So magsawa ka. So papakita ko later yung napili natin at the end of the video. So ayan na nga, we are in the process of downloading yung chosen watch face natin dito sa phone. From the phone going over to the watch. So ayan. Yun. So ayan, bago na yung face ng watch natin. Nag-iiba-ibang color rin siya. Green, blue, red, any way you want it. Diba? So marami pang mga watch faces na available that you can download. So magsasawa ka sa dami. But anyway, that's our video review of the Xiaomi S9 Ultra. And if you're looking for a budget smartwatch, this one is a good choice dahil mura siya and maganda rin naman yung features niya. Though medyo mahirap lang siya i-set up sa simula kasi nga Chinese. You have to download Google Lens to convert the Chinese characters to English, which is yung naiintindihan natin. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. See you in our next Moodle. Peace!